Okay guys, so we are done with our entity classes, user and product. Both are ready. Let's create their tester. So on tester, right click, new class. I'll call this many to many tester. Done. So we have this tester class ready with us. Okay, so time to create main method. Okay, need this session code, copy it, done. Okay, and then we need the bottom section. Okay, this is also done. So our skeleton or minimum code is ready to interact with database and stuff. Again, we don't need this variable. We're not using it. If you want, you can use it. We can use this transition to save some stuff like transition dot begin other stuff. So we don't need this. If you want, you can have like transition begin and do other stuff. But again, it's optional. So I'll get rid of it. Okay. Okay, fine. So code is ready. Now we need to create some instances, map them, and see the result in database. Right. So here comes the user. Well, again, it's up to you which class you want to pick. I'll start with our main primary class. So user equals new user. Since we are going to create at least two users, so we can have a collection. It's a many to many, right? Many will connect with many things. So user1 dot set ID not required. So let's say Pankaj, and then we need collection of product which we don't have yet. So later we'll do that. That mapping will come later. That collection mapping I'll do later. And let's do this. Okay, now we need product. Let's do product product one equals new product, then product one dot set ID not required, users come later. Let's set the brand. So let's say Apple, and let's do this set, let's say Samsung. Okay, so we have two brands, two users. Fine. Time to create the mappings, a collection of these things. So I'll create list of users first. So list of user, let's call this users equals, then new alias as implementation, then we'll say the users dot set, not set, let's say add user 1 user 2. So collection of users ready. So we'll use this users on product. So let's say product 1 dot set users. One product will be mapped with multiple users, so collections. Same way, product 2 will be met with all the users. It's done. Now I'll create a list of products and I'll map them with users. So product on products equals, then new list of this, done. Then say products dot add product 1 and product 2. Now we have a collection of products. We can map these products to users. So user 1 dot set products, done. Same thing, second user will be also mapped with all the products we have. So we're done with the mappings. Next we need to save them, right? We need to save them. And again, if you don't know what is cascading, please go back and watch my previous video where I have explained what is cascading and what's the impact. So let's do this without cascading, and then later we'll use cascading feature. So if we don't know what is cascading, so I need to save all objects. So right now how many objects we have of entities? 2 plus 2, 4. So I need to call, that means I need to call this 4 times. Session dot save. Again, there's no sequence, you can save them in any sequence. I would like to save primary table, second table first, and later the other one. This is done. Then same thing will happen, users, user 1 and then user 2. Yep, that's it. If everything was fine, this will work. But yeah, last thing, one thing I forgot, need to map them in configuration file. So let's do this here in configuration. So one class, the primary table, our case is user, and next is product. Okay, so mapping is also good. Let's run the test and see the impact. So right click, run as application. Okay, so creating, alter and lots of insert queries. Okay, that's great. Let's check database. So refresh to see the changes. Here we are. So let's start with user table. There it is. So Pankaj and Pawan. Okay, great. Next is product. So there is product table done. So Apple and Samsung. Okay, cool. We have two more tables here. If you notice, we got four queries. Please pause this video and see the queries. Okay, so next table is user product. So here we are. So user ID is one user ID is mapped with all the products, and again second user ID is mapped with all the products. Same thing happened with another table, product table and user table. If I open this, so now we have product ID. So all products ID are mapped with user IDs, one with all users, two with all users. Okay, that's how it happens. So in many to many, by default, if you just following some simple steps, you will end up with some four tables in your database. So this is what many to many happens in Hibernate. By using Hibernate, we get this record. So thanks for watching this video. In next video, we will try to customize again some stuffs. So till then, stay tuned. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.